Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm back. I took about a 3-week break, and today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my mini homebody dashboard layout. So I have not been using this planner at all, really, probably since March. This is my current week. Today is Monday. I have not written anything in this planner yet. And we are going to be planning today for the week of the 27th through May 3rd. So I've missed you guys. It feels good to be back. Hopefully everyone is hanging in there with the quarantine and social distancing and all that good stuff. I'm going to be using the new Modern Farmhouse sticker book. And I did pre-choose some stickers, but I'm not going to show you because actually I've got them in order of the layout. So I'm not going to show you what I pre-chose. I did go ahead and cover up this bottom section here with just some leftover pieces of sticker paper because I want to use one big sticker down here in the bottom. So I went ahead and covered that up, and I'm going to put this gratitude sticker down here. So this one says, "Gratitude turns what we have into enough." And I'm just going to kind of try to center this down here like that. And let's see what else we can do. So I did grab from this Wrong seasonal mini sticker book, I grabbed some headers. So I'm going to do my headers to buy, to do, and remember, just like normal. And I tried to find some things that I could use out of this Modern Farmhouse because it does have some headers in it, but I couldn't find any that I wanted to use. So let me see if I can show you the headers that it has. So it has today, to do, remember, errands, now, later. And I think it has some more. Well, it has these little boxes, and I could have used these boxes, but I kind of like the black. But I think that's about it. Oh no, here they are. So this says important doodles, upcoming, my mantra. And those aren't the subjects that I like to use in my planner. So I went ahead and grabbed these out of the Wrong. So let's get this remember down here. And the only reason I cover up importance is because I like all of my headers to match. So the only other things I'm going to do here is I did grab, there are some washi strips. I call them washi strips, but they're kind of like washi. These are shorter, so they don't have a really long one in there like a lot of the sticker books do. But I'm just going to cover up dinner plans here. I do use this as dinner plans, but the blue that's on here doesn't really go with this spread, so I just thought it would be cute to cover it up with these flowers. So I just got to get this straight. Okay. And that's a little bit hanging over just a little bit right there. So that might be okay. We'll see if that bothers me here in a little bit. And I grabbed some of these boxes. So in my classic dashboard, I used to do these boxes in every weekly spread, but I kind of quit that because I feel like I don't have enough room. But for my mini, my on the go, I don't write a whole lot in it, so I can use a box and take up a lot of the lines. So we're going to do that today and use these boxes. I'm not sure how I want to do this. I think I'm going to start with black. Hopefully this will turn out okay. I want to use a black flower down here in the corner. So let's just see. Now this colorful box I actually got out of this, I think it's called Rainbow. It's a mega sticker book from Happy Planner. And there was only 2 of them. So I grabbed both of them because they kind of match this coral blush pink like color that's in my gratitude sticker. So I think it looks pretty cute and matches pretty well. So I'm just kind of centering these boxes and staggering them through my days. Let's see. I kind of want them to be as even as possible. All right, so let's look at that. Okay, And then I think I just want to I chose this flower. So the Modern Farmhouse sticker book has a lot of florals in it. It has like a 2 pages, yeah, 2 pages of this black and white. There's the other one. And then there's also, where's it at? These, some gold ones. I don't want to use the gold today, so we're just going to use the black and white. Let me grab my tweezers here. And I'm going to place this down in this bottom right corner on Sunday. And then kind of look at it and see if there's anything else I think I can do. So let's maybe put this kind of right here in this corner. Cut off the excess. So y'all let me know in the comments what all have you guys been doing. Gosh, it seems like this has been going on forever now. But basically since everything shut down, what have you guys been doing to stay busy? Excuse me, are you even using your planners? That's a good question, because a lot of people I see on Facebook are questioning, what do I use my planner for? But like, my life hasn't really changed much at all. So I still use my to-do list, or write my to-do list in my planners. Nothing's really changed here. I don't usually go anywhere except to church and the grocery store. So the only thing that's really changed for us is not going to church. I feel like this box is crooked, but maybe not. Let's see. I kind of want something to cover up right here. I wonder what it would look like if I take this and put it here. I think that's kind of cute, but I do want to white out these green leaves because you can see I'm behind this clear sticker. So let's grab my white out. Go ahead and get rid of these. I kind of wish the Homebody didn't have this. Like, I like a just basic neutral layout, and I don't mind the black and white up top here, but this green is just, sometimes it really bothers me. All right, so let's try this again, and I'm gonna have to cut out my little punch holes, or hole punches right there. Yeah, I think that's cute. So let's cut this off, and then I'm gonna grab a sticker book with my X-Acto knife and go ahead and take out these little punches. And then I think I'll probably be done. Let's just cut this out. I could take my hole punch and re-punch, but I'm just not gonna go all extra here. Just use my X-Acto knife. Did y'all see, I'm sure you already have placed your orders and seen it, but I am filming this on Monday the 20th, so tomorrow there is actually a new Be Happy box that is being released, and it is like the wild styled, so I think I'm going to order that. Y'all let me know in the comments, did you order the new wild style Be Happy box? So I think this is cute, and I think I'm done. So the only thing that really doesn't match, and now it's kind of bothering my eyes, is these check boxes. Do not match at all. But there's not really anything I can do about that. So we're just going to leave it. Like I said, I wish I had a mini dashboard that was totally neutral, but I don't. So we'll just deal with it. So here's what it looks like. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you guys are all safe and healthy. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider, and if you do hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the little bell on the side there. That way you don't miss any notifications whenever I upload. So this is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.